Good evening, YouTube. Here we are again. We're out here with the fall meat birds. Tonight we take them off the light. They don't get any more lights at night. They probably should never have gotten lights, but we had them under lights anyway just to make sure they got warm. We're gonna get the lights out tonight, go through feeding, watering, and we're gonna move the coops. That's why I have the lawnmower out here. I hooked a hook on the back of the lawnmower with some self-tappers, a loop, and a hook. I got some wire hooked up to the coops at the base so we can pull them. We just move them out the length of the coop so they get fresh grass every night. So we're gonna get started. And I have adult help tonight and the kids also helping. One of the kids videoing. Alright.
Actually, I'm not going to do this until...
Hey, Sage, let's pull this light out.
We're going to get attacked by the other birds.
Pull that cord around. And now we can unclip it from the bottom. Yep, right there, pull down.
Okay.
We'll do the same thing with that other one.
Okay.
That one's ready to be moved.
This one's a little heavier.
This one's
Oh, yeah.
Then the kids are gonna wind up the cords and put those away too.
Nick, I'll get the one. Here, all one circuit, okay?
Hold on, hold on. There. All right, now you guys can work on cords. Whoa, you okay?
Yeah.
Found the cord. This. Yeah, we throw this piece of plexiglass up when the wind comes in too hard. But only one coop gets it. All right, we ready to move them?
Yep.
water.
Yeah.
That's pretty much it. Well, they're gonna get a bonus if any of these mulberries fall in there.
They still right?
Probably not. They won't care. They'll still have purple poo.
So every day when we fill these waters, hold on a sec, I put in some biology. It's sort of like a probiotic. It's just a little bit of biology. Put in a little bit in each one, and then now that they're at this age, I add a little bit of essential oils to help with their digestion. Put one drop in each one. That keeps their digestive tract healthy. You can add a little bit more water to that, easy, right? What goes into these birds is going to go into us, so we try to keep it as natural and holistic as possible. Alright, got it? Okay, go put those in. And if anybody's wondering, this is just a blend of tarragon, ginger, peppermint, juniper, fennel, lemongrass, anise, and patchouli. This is what I've always used with the chickens, even our laying hens, the ducks, the guineas. I'll put it in their water, that or oregano sometimes too, but keeps them strong. We also too have found that in order to get bigger birds that can digest better as well, we have to keep up on their grit. Some of that's a little bigger than it should be, but it's mixed in with some smaller grit as well. This year we only have, for our meat birds, I think we're down to 57. We started with 60. We didn't lose too many this year. Mostly it was from a broken leg, and one got laid on when it was cold because it couldn't move too well with its leg. But other than that, these are pretty good, strong birds. Don't have to do much except feed them, water them, and move them.
And the feed is supplemental. We try to only give them food once a day. Try to. But they eat a lot of the grass too. So we got a lot of clover out here that the birds like to eat. Mama might feed them once, maybe twice a day.
They like to eat playing rocks out there.
Yeah.
In the gravel.
We gotta get them fat. We want these ones to be like 5-pounders at least this year.
So I eat a lot. So I can eat a chicken by myself. Family's got to eat too.
Yeah, these are just a mix of just a broiler mix. We were doing Freedom Rangers in the past. They just stayed smaller. It took longer for them to get bigger. These will get to size in about 8 weeks. So it helps with time-wise, especially when we're going to be going into winter soon. We like to get these birds butchered the first week of October. At least that's the plan for this year. Well,
All right.
those are evening chores.
Yep.
Evening meat bird chores.